How to unsync Google Photos from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Photos application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, scroll down and select Google Photos Settings. You are now on the Settings page. Tap on the Backup option at the very top. This will take you to the Backup page, where you can manage your backup settings. To disable the feature, simply tap on the toggle switch next to Backup to turn it off. Your photos and videos will no longer be automatically backed up to your Google account. Following these steps, you can easily unsync Google Photos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.